You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the scientific name, as well as how to say more Latin expressions, but also more medical terms, so stay tuned to learn more. Since this is a Latin name, there's going to be a few possible pronunciations. If you want to be safe, you can say it as Livedo reticularis. Livedo reticularis. You can also say reticularis, that works fine. Some would say it as Livedo reticularis as well, which may sound a little more Latin, but Livedo reticularis is fine. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.